Good morning. My name is Amma Thanasanti, and I'm calling in here from Oakland. And I want to offer a brief guided meditation this morning. And so, if you are in a place where you can settle, and if sitting is a good posture for you to be in, I invite you to take a seat and make yourself comfortable. And just for a moment, allow yourself to wiggle around. And to get a feeling for the kind of way your spine moves and the pivot over your sitting bones. Just to feel these basic things. And sometimes it helps to take your hands and to put them on the top of your hips, to feel where your hips are in relationship to your sitting bones. So often chairs are designed so that we lean back. And when we lean back, the top of our hips are in back of our sitting bones. And our belly caves in. And so from this position to sit upright takes a lot of muscle strength. But if we lean forward, if we come to the front edge of the chair, then the top of our sitting bone, the top of our hips can be just slightly in front of our sitting bones, much easier. And you may notice that there's a natural arch in the small of your back. And that arch is a mechanical support for your spine to hold your back up. And if you allow your head to balance, then there's the least effort possible. So when we have the least muscular effort, it supports the most ease. And that's what we're looking for. Staying awake and feeling ease. So just for a moment, notice the shape your body is in, the weight your body has, the touch points with the chair and the floor, body to body contact, skin to skin contact. And if it feels right for you and you're in a safe place to allow this, let your eyes close. And allow your attention to connect with what you notice as you're sitting here. Do you notice your body sensations? Do you notice your weight? Do you notice your breath? There isn't a right thing to notice. There isn't a wrong thing to notice. And so as your attention begins to gather and settle, pick one thing: your weight, body sensations, breath. And we'll stay here for a few minutes just to let the system settle. Just to allow attention to collect and gather. And if you notice that your attention is wandering, it's a very common thing for that to happen. It's not to worry. Just reconnect with the anchor of your preference. Body sensations, breath, or something else. So bit by bit, attention starts to settle and gather. And when our attention has settled and gathered, we can make an invitation to notice more of what's happening in our body. We can notice the movement with the breath. You can notice the touch of the cloth and the temperature of the air. We can notice any sensations. And so with an attention that's open and spacious, inviting, just allow the body to be and to receive it in awareness. It's like this warm welcome. And now I'd like you to look at whatever sensation you're experiencing, there's a feeling tone connected to it. It's pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. Sometimes it's subtle and it's not easy to differentiate. It blurs a little bit. So without straining, without struggling, just begin to notice. If the sensation you're focusing on is pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. And this also has a way of settling attention, gathering attention. And simplifying our world. If everything that we experience can be pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral, it makes the complexity of the world we're in much simpler. Sometimes the simplicity is supportive of ease. So just staying with body sensation and feeling tone, keeping it simple, allowing attention to settle and gather. So I'd like to invite you to notice what it feels like for your attention to be gathered and collected inwardly. Now I'd like to invite you to begin to listen to the sounds around you, the sounds in the room, the sounds outside of the room. I'd like to invite you to consider keeping most of your attention rooted inwardly as your attention also begins to open through these other sense doors, listening. And now I'd like to invite you to open your eyes just the smallest amount, so only the first amount of light and color and form can be seen. And just notice how compelling sight is, how it pulls you through your eyes. And so just pause with this first tiniest amount of what you can see and let your attention reconnect with your body and your feeling tones. So it's like you open your eyes and sit back inside of yourself. Now open your eyes a little bit more and open them over the screen so that you can see what's in the room around you, the space around you. And again, notice how compelling sight is. See if it's possible to relax, rest your attention, connect to your body experience, and allow sight to land on your eyes rather than to pull your eyes out to grab hold of the sight. And when you're rooted in this way, it can support you moving through the day, able to notice what's happening with more ease, with more ability to take care of yourself, to make good choices, and to respond in a way that supports ease. So I'm going to change my audio settings. And ring the bell. So I thank you for joining us this morning, or whatever time it is when you watch this. There are many different forms of generosity, and one of them is your attention, your presence. But it's also supportive if you like this video, if you subscribe to this YouTube, if you share this with others. And Awakening Truth is a nonprofit organization. We welcome your donations. Thank you, and bye for now.